How to unlink Google Photos from gallery. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To unlink your Google Photos from a gallery, first and foremost, open up your Google Photos. Now right over here, you need to go ahead and turn off the backup and sync. In order to do so, you can click on your profile icon, which would be in your top right corner. From there, head over to Photos Settings. Now over here, you will see the option of Backup and Sync if you have enabled Backup and Sync within your Google Photos. All you need to do is basically go ahead and toggle it off to turn off the Backup and Sync. This will let you to disable the link between the Google Photos and your gallery. Step 2 is by uninstalling the photos or disabling the Google Photos. In order to do so, check out your Play Store. Tap on the search icon and search for Photos. In here, click on the application and press on the uninstall button. Click on uninstall once again to uninstall or disable the Google Photos. So these are some of the methods to unlink your Google Photos from your gallery. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.